Welcome back to TenorShare. Have your guys updated to the iOS 18? My iPhone turned green after updating to iOS 18, and the screen froze and didn't respond to my touch at all. You can see on the left, one is the whole screen turned green, and on the right, the screen shows a greenish tint. I suspect the left one has some hardware damage while updating to iOS 18. And there are also many users on Reddit talking about this issue. It looks like Apple made some mistake. Still, I think the right one is the iOS 18 system issues. Now I will try some methods to fix it. Follow me. Method 1. Force restart. It might be just an iOS system glitch, so doing a force restart is necessary for every bug. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. See if the iPhone back to normal after restart. Method 2. Reset settings. If iPhone's still showing a green screen, then it could be some settings went wrong. Go to Settings, tap General, and tap Reset, then select the Reset All Settings options. This will not erase your data, but will clear all your settings back to default. If after reset is completed, the green screen problem still exists, then it's 100% the iOS system went wrong. All we can do is wait for Apple update or try to refresh system. Method 3. Fix iPhone green screen with ReiBoot repair. ReiBoot is an Apple device repair tool that can repair more than 150 iOS system issues, including iPhone green screen. Check the link in the description and download it. Once installed on your device, connect your iPhone to it and click the Start button. Choose Standard Repair and download the firmware you need. ReiBoot will automatically choose the one you need. When download is done, click Start Standard Repair option. ReiBoot will begin to repair the iPhone green screen problem. This will take 10 minutes. Method 4. Fix iPhone green screen with iTunes or Finder. If you prefer to use iTunes, here's how to do it. Connect your iPhone to PC and open iTunes. Then press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen shows up. Then you should see iTunes pop up a window. Choose Update. Wait for the iTunes to finish download, and it will start to update your iPhone. Method 5. Apple support. If above methods still not working on your iPhone, then it should be a hardware issue. The best way is to go to applesupport.com and look for official help from Genius Bar. Saying so, there are still many people iPhone turns green after updating to iOS 18, so it's very likely is the iOS 18 system has some serious bug causing iPhone hardware to be damaged during update. Hope Apple can take this serious and get people helped as soon as possible.